Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinky Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of the Jon Renau Topper Collection Top Smart Wavy 12. This is a full top of head hairpiece that provides moderate to advanced hair loss coverage. The Top Smart Wavy 12-inch has a very generous base. It measures 9 inches front to back, 9 inches side to side. It has 6 pressure-sensitive clips around the perimeter. If you wanted to, you could remove the clips and use the 3 poly tabs at the front to secure this topper to your head with tape or adhesive. The single layer full monofilament top gives you unlimited parting options, whereas the SmartLace sheer lace front, which is impeccable, allows you to style off the face if you desire. I love that this has a SmartLace front that's sheer and looks wonderful. I'll show you here in just a moment. And then of course you have the full monofilament top, so you can part this topper left, center, or right. Well, let me try this on for you and we will see what it looks like. So I've opened the clips and I'm going to position it and start snapping the clips in place. Now this color that I have is 1426 Pralines and Cream, and it matches my hair closely. It's not a perfect match, but it's very close. It's a medium honey blonde blended with medium golden blonde and butterscotch. It's a beautiful color. It also comes in a shaded color, which means that it has roots. Is this not gorgeous? And it took seconds to put it on my head. And I love that it has full coverage. Well, let's take a look at a 360 of this beautiful style. Smart Wavy 12-inch is made of regular synthetic fiber. It is not heat friendly. It is very silky to the touch. I really like how it feels. It mimics human hair. The length is 12 inches. However, the layering at the front is chin length. This is also available in an 18-inch long style. You can wear this style off the face. Look at this beautiful hairline. Jon Renau did a fantastic job on this lace front. I'm very happy with the parting space that the monofilament top allows. It gives the appearance of growth from the scalp. Now, if you wanted a wider parting space, you could pluck fibers along the part, but you must be very, very careful because toppers have limited density and fiber as it is. If you pluck too much, that would be disastrous. I have the SmartLace Wavy 12-inch topper parted on the left. That's how I part my toppers. But let's try it parted down the center to see what it will look like. The fiber is very easy to work with. Very silky to the touch, and there's no shine, which is fantastic. Well, let's part it to the right. Gosh, it's just beautiful no matter how you wear it. And I love the wave pattern. This style also looks beautiful, tucked behind the ear. And there's enough length where if you wanted, you certainly could wear it back in a low ponytail. Or if you have hair, you can use your own hair underneath and wear it in an upper ponytail. Lots of styling options. This is a gorgeous, full density, great coverage topper that is comfortable to wear. I also have it here in the color 10H16, light brown with 20% dark ash blonde highlights. And you can see those highlights here. Now what surprised me about this 10H16 Latte color is that it's listed as light brown. This looks more like a medium ash brown to me, and you should know I purchased both of these toppers myself, looking for a close match to my own hair. And when I received the Latte color, I was surprised that it was as dark as it is. Well, let's take a look at both of these colors outside in natural light. If you're interested in purchasing the top Smart Wavy 12-inch topper, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry this topper in all of the beautiful Jon Renau colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now when you get to their website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus you'll receive emails about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comment section below. Now if you wear this hair topper, we would love to hear your experience with it. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.